Welcome to the Ravana University. If you're new here, then do subscribe us, otherwise you will be missing out. Today we are going to release an inspirational video related to one of the well-paid and high-reputed profession in the world. With that said, we will see how to become a university lecturer. Becoming a university lecturer is an amazing career. You will be always updated your knowledge with this profession. Today I will give you the real practical methodology to raise yourself up to this amazing profession. Don't forget to subscribe Ravana University and stay with our free educational journey. Many undergraduates think that obtaining a Ph.D. is the only eligible qualification to become a university lecturer. There are two forms of Ph.D. One is the academic Ph.D. and the other one is the professional Ph.D., which is also called as DBA or Doctor of Business Administration. But your lecturer journey actually starts with your undergraduate level. Basic degree is the most important thing, and the GPA and the class of it matters a lot. Obtaining a 4.0 GPA is quite difficult, but if you would obtain a first class degree with more than 3.75 GPA, then you will touch the goal. There are various types of university lecturers. Some of them are full-time lecturers and some of them are involved in researchers. If you have a high dream of becoming a university lecturer, then don't miss lectures. Listen to your lecturer and make your own notes. Since this is related to a teaching profession, you should not only improve your subject knowledge, but also the language skills and the presentation skills should be improved. University lecturers develop the mindsets of the undergraduates, so you should have an identical value.
People into the door, because this is a major challenge for many companies, especially as
There will be loads of work you have to do, so reduce the stress, study daily basis and minimize your workload. Associating with the library and refer the resources will give you merits to the success. Projects and assignments sometimes behave as enemies. Remember, smart work is far better than hard work. By following the steps that I have mentioned, you can work with fun and make your lecturer dream success. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.